Banca d'Italia's annual report highlights slowed economic growth in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Activity in Friuli Venezia Giulia was, let me say, not very brilliant in 2023 because the GDP grew by 0.6% after 2 years of a very good performance. So I remember that after the pandemic there was a rebound of the demand for companies in every sector. I mean, manufacturing companies and also tourist companies, and so the performance was very, very brilliant. Last year, manufacturing activity decreased by 3.7%. On the other side, a pretty good performance came from the construction sector, and there was an increase by 1.6% of the value added by the sector. Tourism was a brilliant sector because the foreign tourists came from Austria and Germany, and there was an increase, a double-digit increase in comparison to the previous year.